Are you tired of struggling to collect money from insurance companies for your medical claims? If you find yourself doing more paperwork than medicine, consider using AI and automation in your practice. AI technologies such as natural language generation can be very useful in the process of collecting money from insurance companies. By using our automations, you can speed up your claims process and ensure that all necessary information is accurately submitted. Our process can also improve communication with insurance companies and provide better outcomes when filing claims. We work with you to streamline and automate as many of your processes as we are able. Take a new approach to managing your practice. Let us get the compensation you've earned but haven't received. At Metta Health, we're here to help your practice become more profitable, while getting you more of your precious time back.